A regular polygon has 12 sides. Find the size of an interior angle of the polygon. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The question tells us that there is a regular polygon that has 12 sides. We should use this information to find the size of an interior angle of the polygon. The size of an interior angle of a regular polygon is given by the formula n minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by n, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. Here, the question tells us that the polygon has 12 sides. So it means that n is equal to 12. So to get the size of an interior angle of this polygon, we will substitute the value of n as 12 into this formula. When we do that, we are going to have 12 minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by 12. And this will give us 150 degrees. So what it means is that the size of an interior angle of this regular polygon is 150 degrees. When we look through the options, the correct option is B, 150 degrees.